See me when I meet people, I sit, maybe spend 30 minutes, talk for a few minutes on camera or something. But I watch you, you're like, you're the definition of a ninja.
Yeah, they're more.
Man, I'm still talking to the first family, and I see you talk to 30.
Yeah, man, I talk to almost everybody already, man.
I respect.
No, we check out the color them.
Take them away.
Oh no, we not take out your color them, not at all. That's your dad?
Yeah, I'll do.
Mama, me afford come talk to you a little bit. You don't know? We say I eat some food. Jamaica walk by, you understand? Yeah, me can catch it. See them massive man and mash up some food right now. See them, man? Yeah. Mama, wait, up there.
No, it's not different.
Oh, you bring that one here, you bring that one forward. Okay.
Me no want take my place up, because I want my place. No,
so you know what?
I'm not happy. Give something, donation for me.
Nothing wrong with that, man. If you want, we talk about it on camera, we talk about it on camera. You know, say anywhere I go once, me is a man we deal with support, you know. You understand me, G? Anywhere I go, man, I see if there's a cause we need to fill, man, and me send the people them forward and say, look at man, this needs to help me down and say, you know. Yo, what up, man? Watch out. Your water choose right. Hey, you ready? Just put that next to the bridge up on the other side, man. I show me not dress the occasion, we can kick two out of leather. Hear the chopper up. Ball! We're outside. Bullbay, Bob Marley Beach. We're outside. Massive, big up every time and welcome to another episode on Jamaica Walk By. You don't know Massive right now with the Bullbay, man. With the Bullbay Massive. And with the Bob Marley Beach. Bob Marley Beach. You hear them name, the powerful name. Look on the place now, man. Be a Rasta color and thing in there, man. Look on a Rasta shop here. You understand? Watch the colors now, man. You not see green. You not see yellow. You not see red. Yeah, man. All the stone them paint to, you know. So big up all Massive, respect for joining. You don't know, welcome again to all my new subscribers, all my long time subscribers, the people down at the beach they swim. It's actually a Friday and we're in a Bullbay. You understand? Big up every time. 8 miles to be exact. And this is the Bob Marley Beach. So listen, if you don't like the video yet, I beg you to start like the video right now. Start click that like button then, man. If you not subscribe yet, we are wait for subscribe now. Where's some more fire walk on? Yeah. No, we check out the color them.
Take them away.
Oh no, we not take out your color them, not at all. Alright, big up every time. I'm Fabian here. Jamaica Walk By. So you're Massive. So with the Bob Marley Beach, we're gonna show you what Bob Marley Beach look like today. Yeah, that is Christmas list. You understand? So he's a YouTuber from Toronto. So Massive, as me that said to you, say, yeah, we're there in Jamaica, we're there with Christmas list. What go on?
No, me not like when time people just come take our colors.
No, man, we not take no colors, man. Your man, look at place beautiful and pretty. Somebody that want to take with this. What the mama name? What your name? Aishiba, big up, no, man. Are you? Then I write somebody there, so you, man. You afraid of camera?
No.
You're not afraid of camera? And that is it. So Massive, we're there with Mama Aishiba. Big up Aishiba, the man. See them and say more love, you know, and more respect. So see colors, look at colors, them pretty. Rasta Liberty, Bob Marley Beach. So Mama Aishiba, you're gonna make a walk with me, you know. Yeah, man, we are gonna walk to the man from Bob Marley Beach. We are Christmas Day. So Massive, it's a collaboration video. Come in, man, we are gonna walk to them and say me young and cute and pretty.
Yeah. So me I look at nobody on them place.
Alright, nobody in the boat here, so man. We are gonna make sure of that. Yeah. So Aishiba. Yeah. make sure I buy your lunch today, you know, you don't know a thing go. So massive. Yeah, you mean? You don't know my mouth sweet already, no mama. So, we're there with Christmas list. Yeah, this is it. So big up Christmas list. You can look in at the description. Down at your place in there too?
Right, let's go.
Alright, that's great. So massive, we're gonna give you an extensive tour of what Bob Marley Beach look like in Jamaica, in Bullbay. So if you fall Bullbay side, trust me massive, here so is a must stop. Here so is a must place. The beach clean, the beach pretty. I like Mama Sheba. Yeah, watch the place clean. Me not see no trash. Me not see no garbage on the ground, no nothing. You understand? Look like you response to all of that. See them massive, look on the place now, man.
Oh, garbage.
Yeah, but somebody must clean up all of them garbage. So big up to the person who keep the place clean. Look on the hillside. Yeah, I saw one rich gun drop a mansion for one of them inside there, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so we are going to go check out where Chris are dealing with some massive Christmas list. And me and him are going to walk and we're going to showcase what going on in Jamaica in 2023. Bob Marley Beach. You don't know. Mama, I Sheba, right? Yeah. Place nice and things. So we're going to check out all like people, them walk one, what them sell and all of that. As a matter of fact, so first just carry me a year ends. Make we see which part you there we have. What you have over there? Yeah. That is it. Massive, look at this man, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Nice vegetation. So they have a bathroom too. The bathroom open for persons, right? Okay, that is alright. We just want to know say it at work, you know? Ah, Theo. Yeah. Let's set fire.
I need a nickname. His name Ever Blazing Fire.
Mad respect. Where's the famo?
Yeah, man.
Big up every time, see?
Big up.
Chris, you find somebody to talk to.
Man, I found the most unique people I could find all day. I said I
Yes,
met other...
fire, mad respect. That is it. Oh, you're not talking. We can go and talk, man.
Yeah, no. Man, I got so much to learn. What are you guys doing here today on the beach?
Yeah, man. Just present for me.
But what is it that you do? You look into the water? Do you swim? What is it that you do exactly?
Yeah, man. I'm present at this suntan and swimming. Enjoy.
Now, this might be a ridiculous question for you, but for me, it's a curious question.
Yeah.
Are there many Asian Rastas here in Jamaica? Is there a community?
Yeah, I would say so, man. Like a couple Japanese there and some Rastas there.
Yeah. You were born in Jamaica.
Got Japan, got grown.
At what age did you come here?
When I was like 2.
2. So you don't remember Japan?
Yeah, I know to speak Japanese.
Have you returned back home?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you like it better here. What do you like about Jamaica? He's giving me ideas. See, he came here for vacation and never left.
Never.
And I'm here on vacation. I was only supposed to be here for a couple of days, and I'm still here. What is it that you like about Jamaica? Yeah. Meditation.
Yeah.
Let me ask you, because I don't know much about meditation, is it something that is taught, or is it something within that you sort of learn yourself?
That's something where you teach
Okay. So normally, is it you're looking for a peaceful place, quiet, nature? For me, I'm just trying to learn a little bit more about.
No question, no silly, you know, Chris. With them question, because you ask him, so tell me not to ask nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because everything where you ask him right now, a question that I like to know, because I see him,
Yeah.
and I realize that him is a Japanese, right? And in a Jamaican culture. Yeah, man, them think are great things, so we, you understand? Yeah, man, that
I
is
was
it,
the kid
man.
in class when I was small that put my hand up to ask questions because I always want to know more. I was never embarrassed to ask questions, right?
Real way, man.
Christmas. That's how I do what I do.
Christmas.
I walk and talk.
That's your dad?
Yeah. Elder.
Fam, I thought come talk to you a little bit. You don't know? Where you say I eat some food. Jamaica walk by, you understand? Yeah, me can catch it. See them? Massive man, I mash up some food right now. See them, man? Yeah. Mama, wait, say, up there.
No, different.
Oh, you bring that one here, you bring that one here forward. Okay. Yeah, man, so right now we're there on Bob Marley Beach. Yeah, man. So you know we just a showcase what I go on and think. Where the eye from?
Japan.
Same place, Japan. Yeah, which part of Jamaica you rest?
Clarendon.
Down Clarendon?
Yeah,
Yeah, my side that in a Clarendon far from me. Yeah, man. Sandy Bay. Yeah, Sandy Bay side. No, them side are good. Yeah, man, I buy a place that much. You got Salt River already too?
Yeah, Salt River, yeah.
Yeah, man, Salt River, nice, man. So I just a showcase the natural ambience in a Jamaica. You understand? Nice place, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Mama Aisheba. See her over there, so massive. Yeah. So I give them a good tour of Jamaica right now down at Bob Marley Beach. Elbow bunks, no, man.
Yeah.
That is it. Go and mash up the food, see? Yeah. Family. What go on? Blessed love, blessed respect. What go on? Now, be careful that you win that, sir. Yeah. Ati, what go on? A Fabian from Jamaica walk by. You understand? Are you a big chef around here?
No, she's not there, no.
Oh, she's not there, you know. We actually do an episode on Bob Marley Beach down that side there, you know. I go and show the natural ambiances in Jamaica down at Bob Marley Beach. Look like you mash up some nice fruit punch.
Some juice, I am with them.
Yeah, man, that is it. What mommy name?
Data Carmen.
Data Carmen. Yeah, massive. You don't know, see your Data Carmen, I go and mash up some blended food punch, you know, it look like, you know. Yeah. So I want to cook here something.
We do done to order.
Oh, done to order.
Fried
Like
fish or steam or escovitch, brown stew.
okay, alright. So like them juice, I sell them juice I sell right now.
Yes, I will let them ask them.
Alright, so how much for how you sell it?
They have 3 bills, 2 bills. Eh?
Alright. She said which natural juice ready now?
I just only carrot.
Only carrot ready.
Carrot and pine.
Alright, line up on a carrot. Line up 2 of the carrot and pine for me, here? Yeah. 2 of the 3 bills one. Nice. So big up and more love. So we just order food. You say done to order.
Yeah.
Alright, that is it. What price on the food? It depends on the fish or prick.
Right.
Okay. Alright, gotcha. Yeah, man. Yeah, massive Bob Marley Beach today. Nice place, you know. Rasta love, Rasta culture. Yeah, that's a nice place to eat and, you know, drink place clean and nice. Definitely. There you go. Chris! Come in, Chris, man. Alright, so forward. Yeah, man. So, see there? Nice. You go snack shop around there, so too. Yeah. Massive, see there? Have a Rasta bead chain. Yeah. No joke. See our shop here can get 2 Nick snacks. Mama Aishiba. So massive.
Yes, you making any,
see there, Chris.
any new friends?
Chris.
Yes, sir.
So, all our persons them on my channel, if you're not familiar with Chris, this is Christmas list. Not just Christmas, you know.
Yes.
You understand? It's Chris, the name, Chris, and then it's Mus.
Yeah, space, a space.
It's space, Mus. M-U-S-T, and space, list. So this is this guy. Watch the white man, no man.
Yes.
The white man up on the Jamaica ground, no man. Watch him foot, no man.
Yeah. I
Look
give
funny, no
away
man.
my running shoes.
So I realize I'm gonna watch a video. Wait, Church Town again,
No.
I never changed. Craigtown.
Yeah.
So massive the man for the Jamaica and the man see a brother a reason and him did a reason.
His toes are hanging out.
And yeah, him too hang out and the man take off him shoes and give the man. I say, yeah man, we get some more shoes from we had found from. And of them just that we are look for in the world. Massive, sometimes people wonder why we video these things, but something me, only way me can tell it is that people will see that these good things are happening.
Yes.
If they don't do it, how will you know that these good deeds are happening? If you can say, yo, big up Christina, we rate that. Don't it?
Let me tell you something very quickly. It's very tough as somebody that likes to give. Like, do I give it on camera, off camera? If I don't film it, people don't know I'm giving back to the community.
Exactly my point.
If I do film it, they're upset at me and think I'm doing it for views.
Clout, no.
So
joke thing. I think it's best to video it. That way they will still see that you're doing it.
Yes.
So Chris, with your Bob Marley Beach, I know my style already.
Yes.
You walk on and video everything,
yes.
you know, because I want the people them
Bob
see.
Marley Beach.
Yeah. May the people them see what I
want. I'm
want.
going to catch up to you in a few minutes.
Alright then.
We both get to see a different.
Alright, see it there.
Walk and talk.
Walk and talk. Alright, so massive here. See it there. Walk on, mama. Nah, go well left you. Me have a lot of juice and thing. Yeah, me can't leave you. Look how mama nice and clean. Yeah. Me go well left you go. You know, I take you from down about Marley Beach. Why you have a big fridge on there with only for cool juice? See some snacks, yeah? Yeah. Mother things, what you mean? See them massive? So they have the cool juice, them the hot juice, them, you know, you have liquor and all them things, they're ready, you know. So if you forward down on Bob Marley Beach, you can get your natural juice, you can get your other liquor and all them things the same way. Yeah. That is it. Mama Shiba think me I go well far. No, I go well far, man. Yeah. We there, man. Me make mama order two of them things there for me, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
And then they are cool.
Ah, that is it. Alright, massive. So, let's go by a few of these other spots. You can see, showing exactly what Bob Marley Beach look like. You know a detailed thing me bring to you. Yeah, man. So we soon head down at the seaside. Soon head down at the seaside, but me show you some of the spot them. As I show you earlier, that's a bathroom. You have to pay to use that bathroom there. Yeah. Some nice shop. You can see so down here so all nice music videos and things. Love the colors. Oh my wagwan. Blessed love, respect. Yeah. Mommy, you ain't afraid of camera? No worry yourself, man. Right now, a Fabian from Jamaica walk by. So me actually I do a little episode that show them where Bob Marley Beach look like in a 2023.
Yeah.
Boy, me love Wagwan, boy. I'm the first time ever. Me always hear about the beach, but me never really forward. You understand?
Me no want take my place up because I want my place.
Eh.
No,
So you know what?
Not happy. Give something donation for me.
Nothing wrong with that, man. If you want, we talk about it on camera, we talk about it on camera. You know, say anywhere I go once, me is a man we deal with support, you know. You understand me, G? Anywhere I go, man, I see if there's a cards we need to fill, man, and me send the people them forward and say, look at them, man, this need to help me down and say, you know. And this need for go on, you know. And thing, you understand? So, when you down here, so, and we are sending video, and we are sending people them down here, so to come spend their money and come down here, so come have a joy. Because, watch out, you see, if we no video to show the people them walk down here, so, nobody now go come. How you mean?
But people come still, but we have
yeah, man.
We no like no one take my place and without the little something.
I mean, have to respect that, no problem with that.
You saw my place look good?
Yeah, man, clean and nice. So tell me a little bit of what way you normally do here, so.
Me sell fish.
Yeah.
Me sell down to other fish.
Down to other fish.
Yeah. Steamed fish, fried fish, bami,
yeah.
breadfruit, everything, chicken, everything you do. So. Me bar around there, so. Lobster, everything.
I have liquor to one them thing there.
See me bar there.
See there? See a bar. Massive. I asked 2 minutes. See there? Some of them have a bar, you know. You don't know. Cold drinks, hot drinks, everything there, and done to other food, you know. Massive. Listen to me. My first time down here, and I can tell you, say, first thing what amazed me, the place clean, the place refreshing. You know, you don't know you have a reason with people. I like people who are straightforward and I say, yo, you have the my thing left for change or spend a little money. Nothing wrong with that. I like mama, nothing wrong with that because any idea we have to eat. After you forward out, you work, not true? Oh, you mean? So massive, Bob Marley Beach. See what Bob Marley Beach look like in a 2023. Whole heap of liquor. See there? Look what I go on. We call them touch house where me forward from. We ease off, the sun off for you. So you can forward with your family, you forward with your friend them, can hold back our vibes. Can walk with your cheer and your thing them and come easy and just come right over the place and come order you're ready done. Fish and lobster, your fried chicken. And if you want junk or what you want, you just forward at the bar, see you can spend half the money and you your friend them first go home later and you have a vibe. Because that me I go do look more now. You wait till the camera you turn off. You understand me? I say music, everything. Today Friday massive and the place calm and thing and me like it. But me I go show you exactly what I go on so you know say the place is a joy. If you forward and come spend on the money, come have a nice time and just enjoy yourself. Zin? Who them for ask her when them forward?
Gladys.
Miss Gladys. You don't know big up Miss Gladys. So massive, we are endorse Miss Gladys place right now. So see there? Forward, ask Miss Gladys and say, yeah man, me see video on Jamaica walk by and me decide to write so me I can support. Because Jamaica walk by send me so. You see me G? Yeah. Because see that the youth are real youth, you know. You understand? So you afraid of the camera? Ain't not too love the camera. But guess what go on now? You the on gram? I mean now video but you can give out the Instagram. So if I like Cathy them on the page want to see you them in that place. Yes, tell me your Instagram so I go follow him.
Mean Team, man.
Mean Team.
Yeah, man.
See him way you spell it, Mean Team, spell it out.
MENTAM.
Alright, see the Mean Team. So follow the man Instagram, you go see it on the screen and see who me a chat to. When we reach up there, so we never show exactly what for forward, so we could have seen him and say, yo, my G, what I go on, how we reach to up here, so.
Family them up there, so.
Your family them up there, so. See then, man, I go the youth. So massive, see there, swim at your own risk. You know on a lifeguard not there about, and just them man I probably with there to save you. See? Yeah. So, we are past through here, mama, big up yourself, you're more love. Me soon touch base with you here. That is it. So look what I go on massive. I can walk the beach now. Beautiful. So massive, I say we're there with Christmas list. Nice little collaboration video. I go and capture some other things and things. You don't know big up Christmas list every time. I'm and him a roll for the whole day. We actually go up the Bobo them camp and we never get to reach up at the Bobo them camp. You understand? Because today actually then Sabbath, you know? Manners. Blessed me G. On the hillside. Hillside ball game. You make a castle? Yeah, what up, man? Watch out. Your water choose right. Hey, you ready? Just put the bridge up on the other side, man. Yeah. Bob Marley Beach, massive. Place nice. The beach actually, you don't know how we never normally follow the beach. But definitely, I go forward the next time to check out the water here. Bob Marley Beach. Like a group there, you know, like them just there enjoy themselves and enjoy the place. Nothing wrong with that. So massive seat there. Enough place, cool off, have a vibe, relax, and easy. Whole heap of place there for park your vehicle. And thing, it's a free beach. So me not left out that the beach free. Yeah, so just forward. Free beach. You want to give her a ball, no, man? Yeah. Or not give her a ball? I told me not dress the occasion, I can kick 2 out of the leather. Look at the chopper now. Ball! Alright, big up on yourself. Jamaica walk by, you see me? Mad respect. See the massive. Love it. Love it look. Me love it look. Don't mind the breeze nice. The sun might have look hot, but it's nice. Some nice beautiful ladies up on the seaside, they are going easy. Yeah. Blessed me G, respect, you know. Yeah, place nice. Ladies, I can't, hello, I can't chat with you for a second when Jamaica walk by. I hope you're not afraid of the camera, I can't go and chat to you. Jamaica walk by, first thing I ask, what do you know about Bob Marley Beach? What bring you to the dog? Because I know it's a beach and nice, you know. Yeah, want to come out, do who don't want to big up for them bar suit there? Eh? I don't just buy the bar suit and just a flask. Yeah. How water feel? Judge the water out of 10. How the water feel out of 10? 8. Sorry, my name bring me shots because water look like it clean. Yeah, man, big up on yourself here. We're gonna go out on the fun see away. More love, more respect. Follow him, big beg when you left us to try subscribe to each other. Yeah, bad list. Jamaica walk by here. I'm in the promotion for free on Instagram. So if you have a business you want to promote, I will post whatever you want on my platform for free. You just send it to me, I'm going to share it. See? Jamaica walk by, right? Blessed love, respect. Yeah, massive Bob Marley Beach. Nice ambience. Yeah. I don't know. The beach are popular still in but I've never been here. This is my first time. First ever. And I love it. It's clean. And it's big. Yeah, my G, I take a suntan. You know, chuck off in the water. So go ahead there. Why look like me ever go find a shots? They're not selling the shots over here. You're not sure? Alright, big up yourself again, see it? Respect. Bob Marley Beach. I definitely recommend this place if you want to come here and have a nice time at the beach with your family. This seems like my vibe. It's big. We have the touch house them going on. We have the food spot them. We have juice. We have water. The water is very clean. Trust me, massive. This will be a beach for me. No joke. Highly recommend. I don't know how today a place not pack because this beach look like one place where deserve a pack. Yeah, man. Yeah. Now go and walk it. Let me go look closer. love it. Stone here, but yeah, love it, it's beautiful. All my for it massive that this is someone, yeah, even the breeze is awesome. The sun hot, but with the breeze here blow, awesome. Just look at that massive. Bob Marley Beach. Love it. Here on Jamaica walk by, you know how me do my thing already. Giving a tour. It's big, it's massive. There's some reef in this side. Oh, yeah. Spot them that I missed, and we're gonna go and race back with Chris. I don't know, Chris Muscles. So look in the description, you will actually see his YouTube channel. You can check out his stuff. He traveled the world. You understand? I have over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's massive. So Chris has been places that I would love to be, and then cover milestone that I would love to cover, you understand? So, yeah man, big up to Chris Ford in Jamaica, and reach out to Jamaica, walk by and say, yo, make we touch the road, make we reason, make we go in the street. This man don't play, he don't play massive, he go anywhere and everywhere. We have some Japanese Rasta, you know, big up. My boss said take a suntan. Yeah, and I go easy back. We are pass through again, you see? One whole vibe now, man. Irie. Oh, what a feeling. Life is so beautiful. Life is great. You can just walk out here. I'm sorry for some of my persons them who can't walk and stuff like that, because this is me walking at the sun and I just feel so good. You know much people can't do that? You know much people can't kick sun? Oh. You know much people can't kick sun? Jai is great, man. Jai is good. Blessings and love to all massive. Yeah. Big up to all my persons who can't walk. Big up to all my persons who can walk. Big up to everybody. Life is beautiful. Enjoy life to the fullest. These are some of the things that it don't take a lot to come and explore and to enjoy these things. Trust me. We just need to take time out and enjoy ourselves some more. Sometimes when times get hard and things get bad, we just come cool out. Come to a place like this and just relax and just rethink and just take a breather, you know? Yeah. Look at this. Let me just ease off some of my sun off of my head for a second. Wonderful. Cool and nice. They call this touch house, huh? Yeah. I have many of these. You have a bench under here. So you can just sit back, relax. If you're eating, you can just hold a vibe. See all the dollar here, so like they leave the dollar here for me. Yeah man. Thanks. Nice. Yeah, that place well set, massive. Yeah. Nice. Nice. So Bob Marley Beach, massive. Bullbay, 8 miles to be exact, 8 miles. Yeah, some say I can't find back Chris. Yo, my G, you see the white guy? You see the white guy? Oh. Chris! Alright, so see Chris up top. I'm gonna go follow Chris. I try to meet up back with Chris, you know. Christmas list massive. They said me just have to turn to the youth them and say, see the white guy? And they say, yeah man, him up better. And there him is. The only white guy on the beach right now. Yes, Chris.
How's it going?
Still there, I record a look on you. A while ago, I couldn't find him, but I say, yo, my G, you see the white guy? And I say, see my better. The only white man. Yeah. So boy, Chris, me there a reason with bunch of locals them and go show them exactly what Bob Marley Beach is actually about. And trust me,
Yes.
I have to make the beach one of my own. I like it.
Yeah.
The water looks beautiful. It is the beach clean. All of that, Chris. You have parking, you have food, you have everything. So how much Jamaica walk by massive again? See me here? Christmas list.
Yes.
You understand? And we are going to kick it in a Jamaica. You maybe now always step on camera, but you don't know that we want the camera for them in this. You don't know massive. So, where you say, how was it? You get to talk to a few people and things.
Yeah.
You know what?
My first Japanese, Jamaican. The whole family is here, right? They came at a young age. So that's what I love doing, man. Getting in and just talking to people.
That is it. Massive, don't mind
But I
me
watch
here.
you. I watch you move. You're stealth, huh? See me when I meet people, I sit.
Yeah.
Maybe spend 30 minutes, talk for a few minutes on camera. So, but I watch you. You're like, you're the definition of a ninja.
Yeah, they're more.
Man, I'm still talking to the first family, and I see you talk to 32.
Yeah, man, me talk to almost everybody already, man.
I respect the
Yeah.
grind. You know, for those people that don't see the behind the scenes, you know, I watch your videos too.
Yeah.
Sometimes I get caught up in the excitement and the energy. You don't realize that this man is actually like walking.
Yeah, man, and that's a reason. I ball me play.
Thus the walk.
All football me play.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, me can take two hotel leather, man. So right now, them a play. See, any of me have all my shots. I know water me there with them, I go and fling two ball, man. Yeah, man. But Chris, it's a great joy. You don't know. Yeah, man, massive. Look on the overhead shots, them crazy, yo. It's beautiful.
Life is good.
We're going to see where else and what else we can do for the rest of the day. So big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. Actually, I'm going to close the video with it on us. Let me see if we can do that. Yeah. So, yeah, massive. So, right. So, we're there with Christmas list. And we're going to close this in a fine style. So you don't know Fabian here, Jamaica walk by. You don't know. So, big up massive. Subscribe to Christmas list YouTube channel. This man been all over the place. You don't know. So, place where me need my cover. Chris, cover it and you can get to see it too. So big up all massive. Respect for tuning in, respect for taking time out to watch my video, because trust me, you don't have to, but y'all still do. So big up for that. Anybody who not subscribe yet and you watch the video, please me ask if you subscribe now, man. We are wait panda, man. Hit the bell notification and subscribe to the man. If you don't like the video yet, like it now, man. You watch Safari and like the video. You understand? Go over Chris page, go like some video to the man.
Yes.
Drop some comment. If I have an emoji, that still work. You see me? If I have an emoji, trust me, just emoji it. So if you like the video, just drop some fire emoji in the man and make it just blaze and go on, man. So big up again. Thank you guys so much. We're outside. Bullbay, Bob Marley Beach. We're outside. Yeah.